Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the sun, moon and the rising sign of Cancer. Please keep in mind this is your group general reading for the month of February 2025. Since it's a group reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications. For any personal private reading or a healing process or a therapy, all sessions are prepaid, pre-booked, pre-slotted readings. Please connect with me with that understanding. I really appreciate that. And this time I'm going to pull out the energy oracle. I'm going to clarify that with tarot insights as well. And then I'm going to give you some insights separately on your money, career, finances also. Let us see the energy for the month. You have third chakra, Archangel Kemul. You also have a card of appreciation. And Cancer, you do have a card of hostilities. Now this month, yes, there is a progress, there is a growth, there is, yes, you are also improving into your network, but the kind of blockages you are creating for self. There is some ego, some pride which is coming in your way, and it also seems that you are becoming too possessive about what people think about you, what people tell about you, or what kind of impression people are carrying. There is, yes, competition into your network at your workplace also this particular month, but it seems that you are paying attention to your work, but you are also paying equal attention to what people are saying or what kind of impression they are carrying for you, and you're getting too judgmental and possessive about your feedback this particular month. Now when I see this overall energy oracle card reading, more than what people are thinking about you or the way they are going to appreciate you, you have to manage yourself first. So February, Cancer people, for you is the month for you to manage your emotions, because I do feel that there will be overwhelming emotion. You are feeling everything too much within your heart, and you are getting too much personal about whatever is happening around you, be it your personal circle, your professional circle. But yes, overall this month you will face some challenges related to the ego issue, to the pride issue. Maybe you are having a different kind of image for yourself, and there could be difference in the kind you expect people to behave or the way people are behaving with you. You need to cross check about yourself first. This month is the month for you to have a close check, clear check on yourself first, and then have a balance between the internal feeling and what is happening in the external world. You also have number 1, 6 and 8, and yes, the number is giving major influence into your professional life, into the enhancement of your career. So when I say appreciation, there will be appreciation in the kind of opportunity. You might get leadership opportunity or a very senior promotion kind of designation into your life. There could be a related raise, related promotion, or a related kind of designation. You might get a senior kind of designation. You might get that is going to be the result of the hard work you have paid in the recent past. And with number 6, you will also become very comfortable. You will feel happy about what new, what bigger reward you will be getting this particular month. And the number 8, which represents Saturn, the planet Saturn, that is definitely going to ensure that there are major positive influences coming up into your professional life this particular month. So yes, overall, as I shared with you a while ago, this month is of growth. This month is of raise, promotion, not just in terms of money, but also going up in the kind of status you have into your professional life, or maybe into your personal life as well. But you need to keep your ego, your pride, your possessiveness well in mind, well in eye, and have a balance around that for sure. Now let us see some messages related to your tarot this month. You do have the Empress, and needless to say, when you have number 6, yes, the luxury, the comfort is going to reach out to you. There is also a possibility that if you are looking for a new job, new business you want to set up, yes, things will improve for you. The Empress is a card which says that any new business you have an idea, it is the right time for you to plan about it, to make a strategy, and that is going to be successful for sure. And this card is also a card of confirmation that people who are couples who are looking forward for family extensions, or you're waiting for that good news, this is the right time for you to go ahead with that also. And number 9 of pentacles and the Hierophant says there is no need for you to have a major experiment, something you're very sure of. Just move forward on that path only. But this is a brilliant card combination, the Empress with 9 of Pentacle, which is a sure shot confirmation that money wise, finances wise, you are going to grow, you are going to expand, there is a major recovery, and the money inflow is going to increase a lot. Money avenues, the sources of money, money from expected unexpected resources, all the money from all the directions is going to get poured on you. So it's a very beautiful, very lucky, and a very fortunate period for all Cancer people. I do see that there is a major improvement coming up into your money stability, money recovery, and if everything is good, there will be a very big hike in your receiving of money from all sources. And yes, there is a possibility of you to receive money from ancestors property, or from a jackpot, or even from an unexpected source. This month there is a major money inflow which is going to happen for your own good and happiness. Now let us see some messages related to your money, career and finances. We do have 4 of Pentacles, we also have Page of Wands, and we have 4 of Wands. So in your money, career, finances, there is again an indication that if you will be starting off something, or if you have already started something, you have a great sense of money accumulation. The way you hold on money, the way you plan money, the way you make your strategy, you are very successful and very good in doing that. And you don't take risk, you take a calculated risk, which means when you're very sure of something, you only proceed on that path accordingly. With money wise, yes, there will be new opportunities coming your way, but I do see that your own ideas, your own creation, your own innovation is actually forming a very good base for you. So yes, even if you are planning to have something part time, something parallel to whatever you are doing currently, trust me, that is also going to grow, and that is also going to flourish, and it is going to give lot of good money to you, good settlement to you for a very long period. Or maybe if you are starting something new, or if you are in a permanent kind of job, that could be a very long lasting association for all of you Cancer people. So yes, professionally the month is actually brilliant for all of you. Now let us see some moonology advice for your money, career and finances at the moment for the month of February. And we do have a card which is a very good recommendation card, which says it's time for you to release negativity. It's time for you to release all those thoughts, ideas, association, engagement which you feel are blocking your way to the growth ahead. And this is full moon in Scorpio. So yes, it's a period of completion. So something you have started recently, or you may start right at the moment, maybe an idea creation, or maybe starting off a new business or a new job, you will see a complete full cycle or full result probably in another 4 to 6 months of time, which is going to be a good period for you. And the other moonology card today is expect powerful changes, and this is new moon in eclipse. Now if you see there is no month mentioned here, that means the powerful changes, the major changes into your professional life is just standing at your doorstep in no time. So when we are doing this reading for the month of February, either it is done for a lot of you, or it may be a matter of few days or just couple of weeks. But yes, expect it anytime, any movement in the month of February. And your other moonology card today is it's time for you to show the real world your true skills, your competencies, your power, your worth to the complete world. And this is full moon in Aquarius. This is also the right time. It is the February month. Now, if you see all your moonology reading, This is the time for you to get the results. Now if you were doing anything, something prominently from past few months or a year's time, and if you are waiting for a closure, if you are waiting for even a deal to get closed, or maybe you were waiting for a legal case, please know that all such engagements are going to get closed any day in the month of February, and maybe there is a huge possibility that the legal case might fall into your favor completely. And if there was a competition, a deal, please know you are going to be the winner out of that. Don't waste your time in becoming too possessive about people's impression for you. Follow your path, follow your goal, follow your target, because that's the best usage of the fortunate time you are going through. Cancer people, you are very lucky as far as your money, career and finances goes. Now let us see some messages related to your, now if I see your deck, look at the cards which are coming in my eye: the Sun and 10 of Pentacle. The big opportunity, the big money is your destiny this month. Now let us see your messages related to your love and relationships this month. You do have a major arcana card, the Devil. You also have 3 of Cups, and you have a card, King of Swords. And the message in your love relationship says that yes, there could be some communication gaps, or maybe the relationship needs more time, more giving, more thinking, more nurturing. It seems that the balance between the your time and the time you need to give it to your relationship is not matching at the moment. However, you might witness some happy moments this particular month. Also, for people who are looking for formal engagements, people who are looking for marriages, there could be bells ringing out there. But I do feel that you need to bring back things on track. Maybe you were diverted from your relationship, some other habits were taking a lot of your time, you were drifting away from your love relationship or the focus your relationship needs. But yes, you need to work upon them along with your partner to bring the things right back on track. And when I say this King of Sword, I do feel that you are using a lot of your mind into relationship, but a blend of mind and heart is going to bring the needed happiness and celebration and the real spark in the relationship, which will help both the partners to work towards the relationship in equal capacity or in equal partnership. So it's you who has to take the initiative to improve the situation altogether. Now let us see some messages related to your love life and the overall month, your angel messages for this month. Something very prominent, yes, you are going to get in very, this is written in near future, but I tell you it is very near future, which means just a matter of days or couple of weeks when you will see this reading, because sometime it depends that you're seeing the reading little late, so either it would have done, or when you will see the message is the right time for you to receive at that moment. And the other message, yes, it's a part for you to relive your love relationship. As I shared with you earlier, the more you are going to pour your time, good energies, things are going to work out very nicely for you. And the other angel message today, you do have a card, and the card message is a recovery. It is not just recovery, but it's a major stability, major profit, major money which is coming your way. And let us now see your last card of the reading, the Crystal Oracle card. Which crystal is going to be lucky for you? And the crystal message related to the month of February, you do have a card for Angelite. And the message for all my lovely Cancer people says, spiritual or religious community, it's time for you to join with like-minded people for friendship and increased spiritual growth and wisdom, because that is something which you need right at the moment. The more you are able to have that clear aura with great spiritual blend into that, trust me, you are going to fulfill even your materialistic needs in no time. Cancer, this is a wonderful reading for you. I think so far this is one of the best reading for money, career and finances, at least in the month of February. Do let me know how you resonated with your reading. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.